Hey guys, so today I'm showing you guys this Target box I got from Influencer. Basically, if you guys don't know what Influencer is, it's an app where you leave a bunch of reviews like on makeup products or food or like anything like stuff for your pets and whatnot. You can leave a bunch of like reviews and stuff on there, and eventually you can get like free boxes and stuff from like different companies. Like I've seen Kat Von D done it, like has done it before. Target and a bunch of other makeup brands have done it too, like drugstore brands and even some high-end makeup brands. That's pretty cool. But also you have to connect all your social medias to get like more points. That way you'll like easily get like more boxes, so it could be selected more basically for boxes. But anyways, so I finally got my first box from Influencer, and it's a Target beauty box. It has like a bunch. It has like all these products in here. Like I already knew what I was gonna get. I kind of saw people posting about it already before I got it. So yeah, basically I got this. I opened it earlier because I just wanted to look at it, and then I decided to film a video about it. But I'm probably gonna, after I film this part of the video, I'm probably gonna film another part tomorrow after reviewing. I'm probably gonna review most of the stuff tonight, and I'll tell you my thoughts on it tomorrow in a different video. Well, it's all gonna be in the same video. I'm just gonna film again tomorrow. So yes, so here's the box in here. It came with Olay with a new Regenerist whip cream, like moisturizing cream. They came with some Crest toothpaste, a Pantene foam conditioner, and a razor. That's pretty cool. It came with like some really cool stuff, like sample items and everything. So I'm pretty excited about this box. So let's get this thing open. And so you open it, and there's a bunch of like coupons and stuff that you can use at Target, like $1 off, $3 off, some products in here. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this Olay Regenerist whip. It's just it's a little tiny little sample, but it also came with two more, which is cool. I saw this at first when I first opened it, and I was like, what the heck? I'm like, that's so tiny. I thought they would send like a little tiny like little jar or something of this Regenerist whip. I really wanted to try this. But they gave me two more, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try these tonight before I go to sleep, and probably put some on in the morning when I wake up. So I'm pretty excited about these. I guess they have more Regenerist whip too, so that's pretty awesome. I don't know how much these are, but they did give me a $3 off coupon for them for Target, so that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this one for sure, because I've been trying to like amp up my skincare, because I don't know, my skin's been like really bad lately. So yeah. So I'm pretty excited to try that. The next item is this Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste. It's a little tiny sample size toothpaste. I'm be trying this out tonight too. Let's get this open, see how it looks like. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it up now. And I just ripped the box. That's nice. Okay, whatever. So this is how the little toothpaste looks like. It's just a little tiny thing of toothpaste. I'm probably gonna take it with me for when I go for a vacation for spring break. I'm gonna be working over spring break. So that'll be kind of fun, but I'm probably gonna be taking this with me. So it's tiny, it's travel size kinda, yeah. So yeah, I'll be using this, so I can't wait to try it. I'm probably gonna try this out like later tonight for sure, and I'll tell you guys my thoughts on it tomorrow. And the next thing is this Pantene foam conditioner, sheer volume conditioner. I'm pretty excited to try this one out. I'm actually gonna try this one out tonight. I'll wash my hair tonight. I guess it's like foam. I haven't even tried it yet. I can't really tell y'all guys like how it's like at all first, but this is how the little opening is. I guess you squeeze it and the foam comes out. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this. Let's see. It says shake well, apply a palm-sized amount of airlight foam into wet hair after shampooing and condition. So basically, you just put this on right after shampooing. I don't know if they have I don't know if they got a, what's it called, a foam shampoo, because that'd be kind of cool. Let me see the coupons real quick. I think it's just a conditioner. So, but I'm pretty excited to try this out. I've never tried a foam conditioner before, so yeah, this will be pretty much fun. And the last item in here is this Gillette Venus razor. It's cool because they sent like a full-size razor. It's pretty, I mean, this is really awesome. I think they did send a $1 off coupon for it. It's a Platinum Extra Smooth one. I guess it comes with replaceable blades, I guess, razor blades, so you can buy some more and replace it. I don't know, but I think that like the packaging, it feels really heavy. Like the blade feels like really heavy, the razor. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It has 5 blades, has a metal handle, that's why it's heavy. I figured, and you can see it's really nice. So I'll be using this tonight too. I'm going to the beach spring break, so yeah, kind of need to shoot my arms and legs. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about like receiving a box for the first time ever. I've had Influenster for maybe like a year or two already, but like I think I did like connect all my social medias to it and everything, and what's it called? And I kind of reviewed some items, but I haven't reviewed like a long time, so that's probably why I never gotten like any boxes or anything. Like I had chances like getting boxes before, like they sent me emails like, oh, you have a chance to get this box, like come and fill a survey, and I would go fill them out. But I guess I wasn't chosen for it. But eventually I was chosen for a box for the first time, so it's the Target box. But it was also probably because my phone had broke like 2 weeks ago, I think. So I was just bored, like I was so bored. Like I was just on my laptop just reviewing stuff at Influencer. And like I didn't really have anything else to do besides go on Influencer and Facebook and YouTube when my phone was broken. And I have a new phone now, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so basically I was just like reviewing like a bunch of like makeup products on Influencer, and all of a sudden one like maybe a few days later it said like, oh, like you have a chance to get a box or whatever, or that I got an email saying that a box was being sent out to me, and I was like, wow, that's so cool. Like I've never gotten a box from Influencer before. So that's pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited about receiving this box, so thank you Influencer for this awesome opportunity. I cannot wait to be receiving more boxes in the future. Hopefully I do get more boxes in the future, maybe some like more cooler like makeup brands and stuff, so I'll be really looking forward to that. But when I do, I'll probably film more unboxing and reviews on YouTube, so yeah, it'll be pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited about this, so yeah. So I'm gonna stop filming for now, and then I'm probably gonna come back on tomorrow and film again. This is all being one video, so yeah, I'm probably gonna film my thoughts and my reviews about them. So I'm gonna tell you guys about these products. So yeah, be right back. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back. I tested out everything last night that I said I was. So now I'm gonna basically give my reviews on the items in this box. Okay, so first I want to start off on the razor. Well, last night when I first opened it, I realized the razor was it's pretty like, it's heavier than most razors, like, cause the little, as you can see, the handle is made out of metal. It also has some rubber in the back and around it, so that way you can have a good grip on it, which I like, because if it was all metal pipes up by your hands, maybe, I don't know. But I like how it has a good grip. It's really sturdy. This moves like really like easily, so that way like when you shave it, like, it doesn't like, it's not stiff or like where it can cut you or whatever, so it's pretty cool. It left my skin really smooth. Actually, I shaved my arms, so it left my skin like really smooth and soft after shaving, so that's pretty cool. So I think I like this razor a lot. I would totally recommend it to like to anyone who's watching this, because honestly this razor is pretty good. Yeah, but I left my skin feeling like really smooth, and I like how like sturdy this razor was, and I like the metal handle and everything, so it's pretty cool. So I would totally, it's a 10 out of 10. I would totally recommend this razor to all you guys. I really did like it a lot. Okay, so next is the Pantene Foam Conditioner, the sheer volume conditioner. It's a little, basically you shake it before using it, and you just press down and the foam will come out. I don't want to do it right now, I don't waste any, but it was basically, it's basically foam that comes out, and it says to apply a palm size amount of light air, airlight foam. Sorry, my bad. I'm like reading everything backwards today. You just basically apply like palm size. I put it into my hair, but my hair is like really long, so I applied like at least like a palm and a half into my hair. And at first, like, I don't know, it just felt like there wasn't like any product in my hair, because normally like with conditioner you can kind of feel. But anyways, but I don't know, it just felt kind of like, felt different. Of course, it doesn't feel different than most conditioners. I wasn't too sure about it at first. And then when it was drying in my hair felt kind of like stiff a little bit. I don't know, I think that's how it felt like, if I recall. It felt kind of like weird and stiff. And I brushed it out after that and stuff. And, like, as it dried, it started feeling like softer. Like it didn't feel stiff anymore. Like it started like to feel, it's still pretty soft now actually. But like it started to feel softer than it did like for after getting on the shower. So, and I did straighten my hair today. I just left it natural how it is right now. Like naturally, my hair is naturally wavy, and it does look a little bit voluminous, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to look at the camera. But yeah, it does have like a little bit of volume. It's not like flat like how normally is, because my hair can be pretty flat, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, I think honestly this did give my hair volume. At first I wasn't too sure about this product. I was like, because like I think I needed like more than like it says, because like my hair's like really long. It goes like down like past my waist. So yeah, I think I had to use more products with this. But actually, like at first I didn't like it because the way it was drying out my hair. But then after like my hair started drying out more, it started getting like more softer. And then now that my hair's fully dried, it looks more voluminous than usual. So it's pretty cool. I don't know, but I was kind of like iffy about this product at first, but yes, it's nice. I don't know if you prefer a normal conditioner. I think I would prefer a normal conditioner. I don't think I'd buy this normally, but it was nice to try out, and maybe the more times I use it, maybe I'll start liking it more. But for now, yeah, it's not too bad. Like, I did give my hair volume, so that's pretty cool. So, I mean, if you want to try it, go ahead and try it. It's pretty nice. It feels like really soft. The foam itself was really soft. And I left my hair feeling pretty nice. And yeah, it does look more. Okay, next is this Crest Gum Detoxified Toothpaste. I don't know. I mean, I think it did work pretty good. I guess I need to keep using it to see like more. What's it called? It's not whitening toothpaste, but I guess I gotta keep using it more and to see if I like it more. But I liked what I've tried so far. So yeah, I've used it like 2 or 3 times already. It's pretty good. It says it neutralizes plaque bacteria even on gum lines, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if there's any more things on here. But yeah, it just says preferably use after each meal, whatever, twice a day. I mean, I normally brush my teeth like 2 or 3 times a day, probably 2 times a day at the most. But yeah, I think this toothpaste is pretty cool. It did taste a little bit funny, to be honest. Like, it didn't taste like minty. I mean, it did kind of taste minty, but I don't know, it just tasted kind of funny. I don't know if it was just me or what, but I know it tasted different than I guess I used to using the same toothpaste after a while. But yeah, but I don't think it's too bad so far. Like, I think it's pretty good. I just gotta keep continuing using it to see if I like it or not. But yeah, I mean, if you want to try it out, go ahead. I think it was a pretty good toothpaste so far. I haven't tried this one yet, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, I think I'll totally. And last but not least is this Olay Regenerous Whip face moisturizer. Which one is this one? This one is the Regenerous Whip. It's powerful wrinkle results without heaviness. Okay, like right away when I put it on, it when I was like smoothing it out onto my face, it felt really soft. Like when I was just like rubbing it into my face, it felt really soft. And like wasn't like oily or like it didn't like stay behind for like too long after. Like, you know how like most moisturizers kind of leave your face kind of sticky? This one didn't. It made my face feel really soft afterwards. And I like that a lot. I mean, it is like a whip moisturizer, so it's pretty cool. I do have like 2 more of these samples right here. I used like a little bit of the other ones, so that's pretty cool. I used it last night before I went to bed, and then this morning after washing my face and everything. But yeah, I think it makes my skin feel like really nice. That's because my skin's like really like softness that is, but I'm kind of experiencing dryness a little bit. But I guess it's because I haven't really been moisturizing as much or drinking enough water. So yeah, my skin's been a little bit dry, but I think this kind of helped it actually. And plus this one says it'll help with like wrinkles and stuff, so I think that's what it says. I mean, it says powerful wrinkle results, so yeah, it is. I think it's a help with wrinkles and stuff. I don't really have wrinkles, so it's like I'm like really young, so I don't really have like, I don't think that's gonna do anything really. I mean, maybe it will. I don't know, but I think it felt really airy and soft, and like it wasn't like heavy or anything or bad. But I think I would totally, honestly, I would recommend this to anyone if you want to try it out and if you want to start using it and get it. It did make my skin feel soft. It felt like after applying it, I noticed like right away, like it wasn't like heavy or like oily or like sticky, you know. So I like this one a lot. I think this is like the favorite item from this box. And I think the razor is also my favorite item from the box. Like these two, the razor and the face moisturizer, I would totally recommend. Like I think these items. Okay guys, so that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for checking this out. I was actually excited to receive this box from Influencer. Again, it was a complimentary box. I received it for free. Basically I just have to leave reviews on the website, on Target and whatnot, and I also am leaving my review here so you guys can watch it. So yeah, it's really, I mean, if you guys want to try the app out, I think you should, because you could win a free box, you know, eventually. Just keep leaving reviews on products and all this stuff. So yeah, so I think this is, honestly, I'm really happy I finally received the box. I mean, maybe if I like left more reviews in the past or like did more of the stuff, I probably would have gotten a box faster, but I'm glad I finally got a box. That's pretty cool. So hopefully I'll receive more boxes in the future, and I mean, if you guys want to see more of these in the future, I will totally keep filming them and stuff. So yeah, so hopefully I'll get more boxes in the future. I had a ton of reviewing them. I had a ton of fun reviewing them, and I was excited to receive it. So yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe for more coming up. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. I usually post a lot on my Instagram page, so make sure you go and follow me on there. I always post on my stories. I post sneak peeks of my videos. I always post like a bunch of like pictures on my page. So it's pretty cool. So make sure you follow me on there. Also Twitter too. I kind of tweet a little every once in a while, but yeah. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Well, thank you guys so much for watching.